I got convinced by my son to buy Bauer tools. In this case, half-inch compact hammer drill kit for the first time from Harbor Freight, and I hope this will be good, but all indications are that it's good tool. In the box I have battery, 1.5 amp hours, charger, and the bag to carry it all. Let's see what's in the box. I have that bag, what do we say? We have bag looks good with the logo of the Bauer. I have drill itself, battery charger, battery, and 2 drill bits, Phillips driver, and a flat head and a little clip to carry all this drill on construction sites. We will need to charge battery that is already charged 50%, but before initial use we need to, as they recommend, charge it 100%. And here you can see that the green light is just the unit is on. Red flashing light means that battery is charging, and we will need to wait for continuing red light for battery to be fully charged. Okay, battery is fully charged, red light is on. Here's the button to push in and pull it off. And by the way, it snaps well on the charger, which is good indication of good battery, and it goes on with a nice click, and it is ready to be used. I like the look and feel of this drill. Outer case is well made and looks durable. The kit bag is also good, well made. Bag is enough to carry drill itself, charger, and 2 batteries with all drill bits necessary. Like I said earlier, I have this battery with 1.5 amp hours, and because of this drill is costing $69, I purchased already extra battery, and that extra battery is 5 amp hours, and that can fit in the bag with all rest of the stuff. What is important to mention, in this case, all these batteries can be used on multiple tools, sawzalls, circular saws, sanders, grass trimmer, which I might buy in the future, because all these batteries, especially this 5 amp hour battery, can be used for a long time. Power torque is good, and it has a light that shines directly to area where we work, which is needed, that comes from the bottom. It has 3 choices, can be used like a hammer drill, a screwdriver, or general drill for the bits and regular labor, along with 2 speeds, 1 and 2, whatever we desire, and variable resistance speed is also there, up to 17, actually 21. And all in all, I'm very happy with this purchase so far. It looks great. We'll see how long lasts itself and batteries. And that's all for now. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below.